The wait is over, tech enthusiasts. Samsung is about to redefine smartphone innovation with its upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra. Packed with game-changing features, this device is shaping up to be more than just a phone. It's a powerhouse of technology designed to elevate your experience in every way. Stay with us as we unravel everything you need to know about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, a device that promises to outshine its predecessors and dominate the flagship market. Let's kick things off with one of the most exciting revelations: the Galaxy S25 Ultra's unprecedented performance. For the first time, every model in the Galaxy S25 series will feature 12 gigabytes of RAM as a baseline, ensuring lightning-fast multitasking and seamless performance. At its core is the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which has been optimized exclusively for this series. With unmatched speed, efficiency, and thermal management, it's clear that Samsung isn't holding back in delivering peak performance. Now, here's a feature that could save lives. Literally, Samsung is reportedly introducing car detection sensors integrated with One UI 7 software. Imagine having a phone that can sense accidents and potentially alert emergency services. Alongside this, satellite connectivity is set to debut with the S25 series, allowing users to stay connected even in remote areas. These aren't just features, they're tools that redefine safety and connectivity, making the S25 Ultra more than just a device. It's a lifeline. Durability and design also take center stage with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Featuring next-gen Gorilla Glass with enhanced anti-reflective properties, this phone ensures crystal clear visibility even under harsh sunlight. It's not just tough, it's smartly built to complement the device's sleek aesthetic. Samsung has once again upped its game in material engineering, making the S25 Ultra a premium device you proudly flaunt. Camera enthusiasts, this one's for you. The S25 Ultra boasts a revolutionary quad-camera setup with a 200MP ISOCELL HP2 sensor, a new 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and dual-zoom lenses offering 5x and 3 optical zoom. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes or zooming in on the finer details, this phone has you covered. Samsung's partnership with Google brings even more to the table, including exclusive access to Gemini Advanced AI, taking computational photography to the next level. But what truly sets the Galaxy S25 Ultra apart is how it makes cutting-edge technology accessible to its users. The integration of advanced AI features, coupled with Samsung's commitment to sustainability through improved battery life and efficient processors, ensures this phone is both futuristic and responsible. Let's talk pricing, one of the most debated topics leading up to the Galaxy S25 Ultra's launch. Early leaks indicate a price hike around €100 compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 series. While this increase might raise eyebrows, consider the substantial upgrades packed into this device. From brighter displays to larger batteries and the revolutionary Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, these enhancements justified a premium. Plus, Samsung's pre-reservation program offers exciting perks like exclusive credits and trade-in bonuses, softening the blow for those eager to upgrade. Another highlight of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is its exclusive color options. With finishes like titanium black, gray, silver, and even exclusive online-only colors, Samsung offers a palette that suits every style. The refined design, flat displays, and sleek edges exude sophistication, ensuring this phone doesn't just feel premium, it looks the part too. Mark your calendars for January 22, the official unveiling date confirmed by Samsung. Alongside the S25 Ultra, we might get a sneak peek at the Galaxy S25 Slim, adding another layer of excitement to the event. Samsung is known for delivering surprises, and this launch promises to be no exception. Finally, let's look at how the Galaxy S25 Ultra stacks up against its competition, particularly Apple's latest offerings. While Apple continues to refine its devices with innovations like the A18 Pro chip and capacitive camera buttons, Samsung's approach feels more dynamic. Features like the S Pen, advanced connectivity options, and superior customization capabilities give the S25 Ultra an edge for users seeking versatility. To sum it up, the Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just a phone. It's a bold statement of what a flagship device should be in 2025. With groundbreaking features, stunning design, and unmatched performance, it's clear that Samsung is setting the bar higher than ever. Whether you're a power user, a photography enthusiast, or someone who values safety and connectivity, the S25 Ultra has something special to offer. Stay tuned as we bring you more updates post-launch. And now, the million-dollar question. Are you ready to make the leap to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, or are you holding out for the competition? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.